Hey everybody, welcome to day 12 of Learn Blues Harmonica in 30 days. Today we're going to have a guest speaker talking to us about specifically the turnaround. Alright, turnaround, it's that thing at the end of the 12 bar blues. Alright. You've got, you've got your 4, then you got your 2, and then you've got your 2. Basically, it's those last 2 to 4 bars of your 12 bar blues. All right, and what it comes down to is turnaround is kind of a flourish. Turnaround is kind of the punchline of the 12 bar blues. So I wanted to ask our expert friend here, ChatGPT, to explain what the turnaround was. Hey there. All right, can you give us a quick explanation of what the turnaround is on 12 bar blues?
Absolutely. So in a 12 bar blues, the turnaround is basically those last couple of bars that set you up to go back to the beginning of the progression. It's like a little musical cue that says, hey, we're wrapping this cycle up and about to start again. Usually you hit the V chord and then resolve back to the 1 chord, maybe with a little flourish or riff. And that's what gives it that signature bluesy loop.
All right, so what you're saying is when you get to those last 2 measures of playing the 12 bar blues, well, those last 2 bars of playing the 12 bar blues, you're kind of flourishing through, what is it, the 4 and then back to the 1, or is it 5, 4, and 1? You know, is it a half measure of this, half measure of that, or is it just everything all at once?
Yeah, you got it. It's kind of like a little recipe that can vary. Usually it's something like a V chord for a bar and then resolving back to the 1 chord, or maybe you throw in a little 4 chord in there for a half measure. It's really flexible. The main idea is just that you're doing a little flourish over those last 2 bars to signal, all right, we're heading back to the top. So you can mix it up a bit, and that's part of the fun.
All right, I think that's pretty cool. So just as an idea, doing sort of like a chord, like doing a scale going down. That's a good example of trying to do a flourish at the end of the 12 bars.
Absolutely, that's a perfect example. Doing a little descending scale or a quick melodic run at the end of those 12 bars is a classic turnaround move. It kind of adds a bit of personality and really ties a nice bow on that progression before you jump back in. So yeah, that's a great way to do it.
All right, thanks.
You're so welcome. Glad I could help. If you need anything else, just let me know, and happy play.
So yeah, if you haven't guessed yet, ChatGPT is actually a really useful tool these days for learning 12 bar blues and, well, really learning how to play harmonica, learning a lot of different stuff. It's actually been pretty helpful for me in general as far as figuring out what I'm going to talk about. Let's go ahead and hop into my MP3s here, and we are going to get a sample of 12 bar blues. Let's see. You've already heard this one. That was an example right there of a turnaround for you. So a lot of times when I'm doing a turnaround, you know, I'm following along with what's going on in the 12 bar. So I'll just do, I'll just do a flourish like that. So really what it comes down to is when it comes to doing the turnaround, that last bit, Really, everything's just a guideline. Don't overthink it. Just feel it. All right. Now, I wanted to remind everybody, pick up the harmonica. That's linked in the description. If you don't have one yet, like I said, I've got the East Top in C. And I've noticed that there's a version of those things that are on sale for like 15, 20 bucks, something like that. Actually 15 bucks, which, yeah, if you've got a chance to pick that up, pick that up. 15 bucks is a great price for a good harmonica. So I'll see if I can find that deal and link to it. Let's see, remember, hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, comment, ask questions, and let's get that conversation going about the blues. Hit that donation, thejukejoint.countzero